Alright, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to get custom skaters, make custom textures, and how to play custom maps. So first, before we do anything, we have to visit the Skate3 mods. Here we're going to download 3 tools: the Skate3 native menu, Coach Frank's skate shop, and the BIGGUI tool. After that, drag them all to your desktop. Simply just extract each of them. For BIGGUI, the password is BIGGUI. The password for the native menu is S3NN. Coach Frank's skate shop doesn't have a password, just extract it. Open BIGGUI, then open WinBIGGUI. Unpack your selected.big. Find your RPCS3 folder. Go to Games, Skate3 Bless or Blus, PS3 Game, User Directory, Data, Content. I recommend making a folder, name it Backup. Simply drag your createacharacter.big into your backup folder. Open your backup folder and unpack it from there. Let this command prompt run. After it's finished, it would say unpacking operation completed. This folder with content, open it up. Open your RPCS3 folder as well. Go to Games, Skate3 Bless or Blus, PS3 Game, User Directory, Data, Content. Now drag Create a Character as well as Recipe inside. Open up Create a Character, go to Texture, minimize it to keep it on your taskbar. Now open up Coach Frank's skate shop, open up a loader. When you click on RPCS3, link it to your RPCS3 folder, then Game Location, open up RPCS3, then Games, and then link it to your Skate3 Bless or Blus. Reset textures, press OK. After a couple seconds, click Add, and you see all these preset skaters here. You can either double click on it to download, and then double click again to see it. In my Discord, I have a couple CFSSs, or you can go to the EA Skate Modding Discord for more. After finding the skater you like, click on it to download it, and here I recommend making a new folder, name it Skaters, and simply just save your download there. Now inside the loader, click Add, find your CFSS. After it downloads, double click it. You press Load Skater, you can say no. As you can see, I now have the custom skater loaded. Now how can we actually make our own custom textures? There will be a link in the description that has every texture that you can edit. After downloading it and unzipping it, it will look just like this. Put your game textures next to the pictures. Go to your playing color boards. Choose the dirty texture out of the two. The difference between the dirty texture and the clean texture is that the clean texture is the one that shows up here in the edit skater, and the dirty texture is the one that actually shows up here outside of the edit skater. Open it with whatever editing software you have. Make whatever you want. When you click Save As, make sure to get rid of this out part at the very end. Make sure it's saving as a PNG. Still in the Save As folder, find your Coach Frank skate shop, make a new folder inside, name it Custom PNG, and save it to there. Find the image you saved, copy the name, and inside your game textures, paste it, copy the file. Inside of Coach Frank skate shop, make a new folder, name it PSG, open it, and save the file from your game textures into your PSG folder. Make a new folder, name it Custom PSG, open up the Paint Bucket tool. Whenever you click your PSG texture, make sure it comes from your PSG folder. As you can see, this is a skateboard. Then your PNG image will come from your Custom PNG, which is your actual texture that you want to put on it. Combine them. It'll spit out a new PSG texture that will be inside your Coach Frank skate shop. Simply drag it to your Custom PSG, rename it, get rid of the underscore and everything after, copy the file. Inside your game textures, clear the search, simply paste it, replace it, and there's my custom texture. If your game data is ever corrupt, simply exit the game, go to your RPCS3 folder, go to dev_hdd0, game, whatever your install folder is, click inside and delete everything that's in there. Whenever your game is corrupted, just repeat that process. To actually make a CFSS, go to the maker tool, give it a name, description, and a photo. When adding your texture file, find your Coach Frank shop, choose all the custom PSGs that you want, and then your skater.p. Inside your RPCS3 folder, go to dev_hdd0, home, 0001, save data, alias skater, then skater.p. You can then export it, and here's the CFSS that I exported. If you want to upload it, make a new post, add a picture, as well as the CFSS file, as well as a name and a description. If you want to post it to my server, simply ask for the CFSS maker role so that you can post inside of this channel. But how do we play on custom maps? I recommend joining the Dumbbad and Sunjay Skate3 modding server. If you go to the custom maps, find one you like, simply download it, extract it, open your RPCS3 folder, go to dev_hdd0, game, bless or blus, user directory, drag the map inside. Maps that have a bunch of zeros at the end should always be dragged into here with all the other DLC. But if you have a map that says dist in your RPCS3 folder, go to Games, Skate3 Bless or Blus, PS3 Game, User Directory, Data, Content, World. If you do not have the folder name Stream, make one. Simply drag in the map Load your game. Maps that you drag into your DLC folder will be in your challenge map. Location, I dragged in custom 000, Skate 1 San Vanelona, and here I am in the custom map. The map that says district, open the Skate 3 native menu, S3 native. After completing, click your right stick in as well as left on the D-pad for the map loader. Simply load the map that you downloaded. And here's the custom map that I had installed.
Coming.